It is a classification that describes the nature of information within the value assigned to variables. Psychologist Stanley Stevens developed the best-known classification with 4 scales of measurement. Nominal scales could simply be called labels, a qualitative variable that characterizes an element of a population. Arithmetic operations are not meaningful for such data. Order or rank cannot be assigned to the categories.
A qualitative variable that incorporates an ordered position or ranking. Differences between data values either cannot be determined or are meaningless. Assigning numbers to objects and the numbers have meaningful order. Interval scales has measurements where the difference between values is meaningful. In other words, the differences between points on the scale are measurable and exactly equal. The central tendency can be measured by mode, median, or mean. Measure of dispersion can also be calculated. This illustrates a major problem with interval scales. The zero is arbitrary. Without a true zero, it is impossible to compute ratios. With interval data, we can add and subtract, but cannot multiply or divide.
The ratio scale is exactly the same as the interval scale with one major difference. 0 is meaningful. Ratio scales provide a wealth of possibilities when it comes to statistical analysis. These variables can be meaningfully added, subtracted, multiplied, divided. Central tendency can be measured by mode, median, or mean. Measure of dispersion such as standard deviation and coefficient of variation can also be calculated from ratio. Nominal variables are used to name or label a series of values. Ordinal scales provide good information about the order of choices, such as in a customer satisfaction survey. Interval scales give us the order of values and the ability to quantify the difference between each one. Ratio scales give us the ultimate order interval values and the ability to calculate ratios since a true zero can be defined.